Eleni Shiamtanis here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post weekly videos all about Fluidart and resin. I hope you're well and thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to use a 60cm round and I'm going to do ocean colours, some gold and maybe some sandy colour as well. And I want to do sort of like a lining with some effects. So I'll use like a ribbon, like lots of ribbon pours. To get kind of effects. I might use a little bit of silicone in some of the colours as well. So that's what I've got as an idea. Let's see how it goes. Let's go and make some art. All my paints are mixed with 25% paint, 25% Liquitex medium, 50% glue mix. The glue is 60% glue, 40% water. I'll show you my colours. Really pretty colours. And so this one is PBO Studio Acrylics Phthalo Cayenne Emerald. This one is a mix of these two colours, and this is Magic Fly, and Steel Blue, Mysterious Purple. This one is Aqua, Emerald Green, Chocolate Brown, Fluorescent Light Apricot, and the gold is a mixture of Perfect Ideas Metallic Copper and Deco Art Metallics, and the consistency is kind of medium, so you get a little trail, and so hopefully they're all the same. And I'm going to layer them in a cup and do a ribbon pull. So let's get started. This is a 60cm canvas round, and I'm going to layer my colours in a cup and do a ribbon pour. I've put some gold leaf on one side and on the other side I want a little bit of negative white space, so I'm going to use white base coat here, and then I'm just going to pour the ribbons in the middle here and then tilt it on either side. So that's the plan. So I'm going to start with my white. So I'm just going to layer it on, I'm just going to put the base on one side mainly. I'll start to layer my cups. I'll start off with a little bit of white at the bottom, and this one has silicone in it, just a few drops. And this PBO Studio Acrylics Phthalo Cayenne Emerald is transparent. put a tiny bit of white in the bottom. And we're going to start on this side. Show you up close. Now this gold leaf looks a bit distressed, and I like that actually. I think that kind of adds to the piece because this looks very earthy, and the splashy bits at the top. Some beautiful cells coming through, and the liney bits just so pretty. These colours are lovely. There's a few that are iridescent, so when it dries, it should look really pretty. I love those bits there. So I will show you when this is dry. I'm not sure if I'm going to resin or varnish it, but we'll see. This is it finished, and I really like the composition. Just like the way these lines here and here kind of give it that shape, and my splatters at the top I think are really pretty. There's a few little swirls, and pretty cells, some gold cells here, and some of this chocolatey brown coming through here. Really, really pretty, and it has got a shimmer to it. I think I might resin this one. Just some nice little details. These are really nice, these kind of, look at this here. Really pretty. And the liney bits are really nice. And I love this purple colour here. Very iridescent. That was the mix of the two colours. It comes through a bit throughout here. And I added a little bit of white at the bottom and some swirly bits just to finish off the piece. I absolutely love it. I'm really happy with it. So I hope you like it too. Please give me a comment, let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, share with your friends if you like it, please. And thank you so much for watching.